Looking for the best jump starters to keep your car powered up anytime, anywhere? You're in the right place. Our channel brings you daily quality reviews and comparisons of top products to help you make smarter choices. Stay tuned as we explore the most reliable and efficient jump starters on the market. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more expert picks. Number 1. Best Jump Starters. For an additional well-rounded jump starter, Stanley's J5C09 portable power station could fit the bill. This jump starter features a lead-acid battery with up to 10,000 A of cranking power for turning over large engines in gasoline and diesel vehicles alike. This unit provides some additional built-in features worth noting. It offers a USB port for charging devices, a standard 12V port, a reverse polarity alarm to indicate improperly installed clamps, and a positionable warp light for shedding light on the repair area. During the test, the one feature that stood out the most was the air compressor. It was able to fill a tire in much less time than the other models, about 4 minutes, and the analog display was very accurate. It's also easy to set up and use in the dark. Plus, it features extra long cables to make reaching battery terminals easier. It also had plenty of power to kick the vehicle's engine over. Number 2. 120-port 1200A portable power station. Folks who value versatility will want to consider the Schumacher SJ1332 rechargeable power station. This device features 1,200 amps of cranking power, allowing it to start a massive 8-liter gas engine or a 6-liter diesel engine. It also features a 150 psi air compressor with an analog gauge for pumping flat tires and a high-volume air port for filling air mattresses and pool floats. The Schumacher features two 12-volt charging ports, two standard 120-volt outlets, and a USB port for charging mobile devices. This allows it to charge several devices or act as an emergency power station if the power goes out in the home. Its cables wrap around the unit and clip onto the base for storage, and the compressor hose stores in a small compartment in the back. We weren't big fans of the tire pressure gauge, which was not lit and wasn't very accurate, a difference of around 8 psi, and it's in a weird spot on the back of the jump pack and obscured by the clamp. Number 3. Esque 3000A car jump starter with air compressor. For those looking for the most from a lithium-ion jump starter, this model from JF Egwo is worth checking out. The jump starter features 3,000 amps A of power, allowing it to crank over gas engines up to 9 liters and diesel engines up to 8.5 liters. It also boasts a 24,000 mAh battery, giving this device the capacity to start up to 55 vehicles before recharging. With the included smart cables, there's no risk to the electrical system. The built-in air compressor produces up to 150 psi, filling a flat tire in less than 15 minutes. The compressor includes 2 USB ports, 2 LED flashlights, an extension hose, and 4 air compressor nozzles for filling tires, sports equipment, air mattresses, and more. There's no risk to the electrical system. This model from JF Egwo is worth checking out. Egwo model reaches that preset pressure. The compressor will shut off to avoid overpressurizing the tire. Number 4. DeWalt 1600A jump starter with air compressor. The DeWalt jump starter compressor combo performed flawlessly in our hands-on tests, easily earning the title of the best overall model. This unit supplies enough juice to start depleted batteries and has a built-in alternator tester. Quote, "The clamps are large and grip the terminals firmly. We were able to get a reading of the current battery voltage. When we connected the terminals to a fully charged battery, the DeWalt indicated the voltage, which is a good way to see the battery's current charge." Quote, "The compressor measured the existing pressure in the tires. We were able to pre-select the amount of air we wanted to add, and the compressor inflated the tires to the exact pressure. This handy feature removes the guesswork, especially when inflating bicycle tires that can explode if too much pressure is applied. Number 5, or Die-Hard 71687 950 peak amp 12-volt jump starter. Jump starters with air compressors can be incredibly versatile, and this model from Die-Hard definitely fits the bill. The lead-acid jump starter offers 950 peak amps for cranking over large diesel engines, as well as reverse hookup protection to avoid damaging the expensive electrical components that are sometimes vulnerable during jumping. It also features two 12V ports and a USB port for charging devices. Quote, the compressor produces up to 150 psi of pressure and includes a digital gauge for presetting the pressure and checking the battery's charge level. A built-in work light makes working on the side of the road in low light a bit less difficult as well. This Die-Hard model also includes 3 air nozzle adapters for filling sports equipment, pool floats, and other items. Quote, the Die-Hard jump starter was more than capable of firing up an old Land Rover. It was easier to attach than other models as the cables were slightly longer than the compact versions.